In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Instagram messages not deleting error. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is completely close the Instagram app and relaunch it. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen, remove Instagram from your recent apps, then reopen it. Temporary app bugs can stop messages, action like deleting or unsending from working correctly, and restarting the app may fix it instantly. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection, or you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue improves. Next up, check for app update. Launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Older app versions often contain bugs that affect messaging features, especially after Instagram rolls out new updates. Next thing you want to do is launch Instagram, navigate to settings and activity page, log out of your Instagram account. Wait for a few minutes, then log in back. Next, check the server status of Instagram, so launch your preferred browser. Type in Instagram server status and search for it. Navigate to the website down detector. If you found out any outages over here, you'll need to wait until the problem will be resolved from the end. Next thing you want to do is delete the entire conversation. For that, press and hold on the conversation, select the option delete and confirm it. Now, start a new conversation. Then you can send a message. Then try to unsend it or delete it. This solution might work for you. If not, you can completely delete the Instagram app, then reinstall it. And that's it. These are some fixes for Instagram messages not deleting. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.